Hi everyone. If you want a little more privacy while browsing, you don't need to install a separate VPN extension. Opera comes with a free built-in VPN that you can turn on in just a few clicks. It's great for adding an extra layer of privacy while browsing and doesn't require any additional software. First, open Opera on your computer. Next, click the Opera menu in the top left corner. Then, open Settings. Next, click VPN from the left sidebar. Then, turn on the built-in VPN. Once it's enabled, you'll see the VPN icon in the address bar where you can quickly turn it on or off whenever you need it. Finally, keep in mind that the built-in VPN is designed for web browsing inside Opera and may reduce your browsing speed slightly depending on the server you're connected to. That's it, a simple Opera feature that helps make your browsing more private without installing anything extra.